Crypto taxes are the worst. They're a giant headache. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into it. So the time has come for everyone to do their taxes. And a lot of us that invest in crypto, we know how big of a headache that can be. I have a giant stack sitting right there of all the investments I made in crypto this year. And in my opinion, I have learned a lot over the last couple of weeks dealing with all the issues that come along with crypto taxes. So I'm making this video to remind my future self not to make the same mistakes again. In this video, I will talk about 3 mistakes, 3 things that I could have done differently to make tax time a breeze. Make sure you watch the video until the very end. And now let's talk about the first thing, and that is being more organized. Literally track all the exchanges that I have, all the wallets, all my positions, create a spreadsheet, write everything down in a notebook. Whatever you do, please track everything you do in the crypto space. Over the last couple of weeks, I didn't have time to post YouTube videos or create a bunch of TikToks. All my energy was focused on getting my taxes in order. I spent days tracking wallets that I used a couple times before, getting all my transactions from all the exchanges that I used so far. It is so time consuming, especially if you have a ton of different wallets, a ton of different exchanges. And there's plenty of times where I sent money to the wrong address and the money completely vanished. Crypto taxes, in my opinion, are the worst. And hopefully in the future, these exchanges, these platforms are going to come up with simpler solutions to track everything. Because right now, it is a pain in the you-know-what. Tip number 2, get rid of all the small positions. Everything under $100, sell it, especially if you do not plan on building on that position. And even worse, if those positions are stakeable. For example, let's say you have $10 worth of Tezos on an exchange or on a wallet. Every single day, once Tezos pays you for simply holding that staking reward, you're going to create a taxable event. So every day it gets another one and another one and another one. By the end of the year, you're going to have 300 something taxable events on that $10 Tezos position. And in my opinion, that is not even worth having that Tezos position. I have a bad habit of keeping these small positions. Literally every exchange account that I have, every wallet, I have these micro positions that are not doing anything. I'm talking about $5 position, $50 position, $100 positions in a ton of different coins. Coins that I held a long time ago from 2018, coins that I bought last year and I'm simply holding for no reason. Literally guys, that money is just sitting there. So until my future self, sell those positions. They're going to create an even bigger headache. So think about it. If you have 20, 30 different positions and every single day those coins are earning you like a penny or something, but they are very small. I'm talking about positions that are $5, $10 here, $20 there. Over time, those positions are going to generate thousands of taxable events, thousands of transactions for no reason. And especially when you put them all together, they're worth like $500 in total. So for my future self, make sure to sell those positions, consolidate that money into one project that you believe in. Also, if you plan on selling, do not leave $5 left. Sell that $5 as well. And now let's finally talk about tip number 3. And that is to simplify everything. Crypto doesn't have to be difficult, but if you have 20 different exchange accounts and you have a little bit of crypto on each one and you have like 100 different wallets and you're like part of every ecosystem in the crypto space, in my opinion, that is a waste of time. Pick a couple exchanges, 2 to 3 exchanges that you absolutely love, that you plan on using for a very long time. Also, pick a couple of wallets. You don't have to have 20 or 30 different wallets or 50 different exchanges. That is just going to make things even more complicated. Personally, that is the mistake that I made last year. I literally have a ton of different exchange accounts, a ton of different wallets, and I'm keeping a little bit of crypto here, a little bit of crypto here, and who knows how many wallets I have that I completely forgot about. So what I recommend is simply shrink your circle of exchanges and wallets. Create a simple spreadsheet, type in the exchange that you are using and the coins that you have on that exchange. The less exchanges you're using, the less wallets, the less clutter you're going to have when tax season comes around. One other thing to keep in mind, all of those small positions that I have in these exchanges and these wallets, if I literally sold them, I would have around $2,000. And I could have taken that $2,000, invested it in a better project, and made it grow. I could have doubled, tripled my money. But instead, they're just sitting in these micro positions and wasting time and money. So definitely take better care of those micro positions. I know crypto taxes are not fun. They're super confusing. But if you take some time to plan ahead, they're going to be way, way easier. So definitely consider all these tips that I mentioned. And as always, guys, if you have any tips whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. I know there's a ton of other platforms out there to help you with taxes, but these are just some tips that can help you get everything together. And as always, subscribe, comment, see you in the next video. Peace out.